Ben Fox here with Huber Fox. I hope you are thinking about setting up an estate plan. People often ask me, when is the best time to have an estate plan set up? And I often answer with a question, when is the best time to obtain medical insurance? Before you need it or after? So today, let's talk about what it takes to properly create a will. You've probably heard me say it before, but a will and a trust are actually two different documents, and they have different requirements. This video is about creating a will. If you want to know more about creating a trust, please find our video on that topic. To create a will regarding your assets, there are three things you need to know. The will must be in writing, it must be signed by you, and it must be witnessed by two people in the same room. Let's take a closer look at those three basic requirements. Number one, the will must be in writing. As of now, California does not recognize digital wills or wills that are signed electronically. The document can be printed and signed by you, or can be handwritten. And if it's your will, it needs to be your handwriting, not the handwriting of someone else. Second requirement, the will must be signed by you. This seems pretty basic, right? But did you know that California recognizes an X as a signature? That's right. Any mark that is intended to function as a signature can be sufficient. In fact, California allows you to direct someone else to sign your will. This is important if you are not physically able to sign your will. Now, third requirement is having two witnesses. But here's the tricky thing. These witnesses must be together in the same room when they witness your will. You cannot sign your will in one witness in the one room and then go to another room and show your will to the second witness. Seems rather odd, but I've litigated this very issue. So those are the three basic requirements. There are additional requirements such as having a sound mind and acting independently, which we explain in our other videos. I encourage you to contact our firm so we can help you set up your estate plan the right way. Don't waste time. The time to plan is now.